My name is Ryan Gregory. I go to Nashua Community College for collision repair. Every day is kind of a little bit different on the campus. On Fridays, we'll have a lab where we work from 6 hours, 8 o'clock to 2 o'clock, working on cars, almost like a real job in the shop. And time management and efficiency play a big role in working here at NCC, where we're trying to learn to be as efficient as possible. That way we can go into a job career and have the experience that we need. I had a friend who graduated 2 years prior to me that came to the same program, and he talked to me about it. I loved the idea of it, and by the time that I signed up for the program, he had actually already got a full-time job in a collision repair center, and he's making enough money to support himself financially. I had a very big hobby of mine of working on cars, and I never realized if I could make it into a career path, but finding this program's helped me kind of put in place what I wanted to do. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do like the mechanical side or the collision side, and this place has really kind of leveled me down to what I want to do.